Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our episode number 46, a requirement analysis video for another Metallurgy and Metal Forming in Duisburg, University of Applied Science College. So in the previous video, we already did the metallic materials technology in TU Berg Academy Freiburg. We did the requirement analysis and also followed by two parts of application video. If you are seeing this video, you don't know anything about this video, please go and check out that video. And I have also showed you step-by-step procedure on how to apply for that particular course, and please apply looking at it because the application is open. All the best for that. Then if you're new to this channel and don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make two types of videos. In first type of videos, we usually make the requirement analysis thing. In the requirement analysis, we just go through that website, understand the requirements, check for the course content, and look for the curriculum which you are interested, say example in mechanical engineering, electrical, computer science, civil, etc. Then for each college we go and do the requirements and registration, check out the documents and what are the admission requirements that we need to fulfill. Then we understand that and we also note down the application deadline, then where to apply. After having all this information, we comment it out and we wait until the admission deadline to meet. Then we will also show how to apply for that particular college in step-by-step procedure in application videos, which we already did like previously for other courses. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session and you want my guidance and my services, then please check out our top mate link where everybody will get a 15 minutes of free trial call to get to know me, to understand if you can also judge me by saying that if he's the right person, if I am able to help you. Then only please invest money on other services which you want to know about the colleges. If you want full support on your profile evaluation, making an Excel sheet, and you want me to apply for you, you can always check. And there are also numerous people who already booked and also gave a good feedback. So please check out our top mate link. Then without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told, today I will be doing requirement analysis episode number 46 for Metallurgy and Metal Forming in University of Duisburg-Essen. So whenever we do the requirement analysis, we just go through the overview, course detail, cost and fundings, and requirements and registration. In the overview, you can just see the degree. The degree is Master of Science. Course location is in Duisburg. Teaching language is both German and English. And the language of instruction is half German, half English. That means it's a bilingual course and you need to get a 50% of your course in studied in German and 50% in English, and you need to have around B2 level of German to get into this particular colleges. And the language of other examination in the same as language of instruction in the corresponding lecture. Then if you're taking a course which you like and it is only available in German, then you need to give exam in German. Full time, and there is no part-time opportunity. You need to do full-time for semester. Both you can apply in winter and summer semester. The regular semester program annually in October for winter semester, this is as usual, and April for summer semester. The lecture period usually starts in October and ends in February, and so summer semester it starts from usually April and ends in July. So it's almost the same schedule. You can also check in their website regarding everything, whatever the things first year engineering courses, how they have planned, what are the courses that they are offering, everything is mentioned in that particular official website. But usually we will also do the requirement analysis in the official page when we do the application video. And application deadline 1st May to 31st July is for the following winter semester, and for November 1st to until January 31st is for summer semester. I will check if it is open till for 31st July because we are anyway now in July. So if it is until 31st July for non-EU, then I will for sure apply and show you how to apply. But I don't think it is for non-EU. But if it is for non-EU, then I will surely apply, and that will be our next two parts. And tuition fees is none. Combined degree program, PhD program not possible. Joint degree is also not possible. Description and content, you can read it here, but usually you will get the complete course details in the course details page, where how they would have told the 120 credit points and how it is divided. All master's degree follow same structure, consist of core subjects, advanced and project or profile subjects, elective courses and master thesis. So they have just generally written it how the all courses are divided. For each module handbook and the courses that you are studying, you need to go and check the official web page. Then the mandatory core subjects are obligatory for all the students to provide in-depth knowledge in specific discipline. The subject of profile specific and specific area with this discipline. The elective courses can be chosen out of any disciplinary of engineering. Overall language of instruction for each master degree is 50% English, 50% German, and you can also check here. After finishing your master thesis in these kinds of technical university, you are also eligible to do the PhDs, because if you have done any masters in Hochschules, then usually for PhD it is a little difficult or it is not possible, some people say, but usually if you do it from technical university, then you are eligible to do a PhD in Germany. Then diploma supplement will be issued at the end of the degree when you successfully defend your master thesis. Then integrated optional study abroad units is also fine, or also there for everybody, for EU people or at least for German people, but for Indians already we are studying in the international abroad college in Germany, so no need to worry. Then international orientation, it relies from lectures offered in English, German of instruction, 50% of lectures in German, 50% of lectures in English, and a strong liaison with the international partner university, living and studying in multicultural environment. And students who have obtained their study qualification at a German speaking institution must provide proof of stay abroad during the bachelor degree program. For all the students, a study abroad is optional. So for all other students, it's study abroad optional, but German speaking institute or other guys who have already done in the German institute, then they are telling them to go and explore it in all other universities inside the EU. And course specific English language course and German language course is always there. So please, if you are a person who has A2 level also, just apply. You will get a conditional admit if your profile is good. Then you can also come to Germany with that conditional admit, finish the course that they want to do at the German level, C1, C2, whatever they want. Then you can start these subjects, because most of my friends also did it in Duisburg-Essen. Some people also did it with conditional admit. Some people had proper German, then they also started directly. Tuition fees is none. Semester contribution is expected to pay around 350 euros, but in this 350 euros you will get as of now you will get the complete Deutschland ticket, but when Deutschland ticket is closes, you will get the proper state ticket of NRW, where you can travel entire NRW for free with this 350 euros for 6 months. And it's only the regional one, not in intern or ICEs. Then cost of living is estimated up to 1200 euros. It also depends on person to person. It might go above, might go below. Nobody will live up to 1200. Some people will spend 1500. It's up to them. But it also depends on the first year, because first year you don't need to worry, because at first year everything will be planned and booked for you based on your blocked account, because at first year you will anyway block, and that blocked account money will be divided into 12 parts and sent to you every month. Upon that, in the second year you need to at least show some sort of financial stability by showing them the work contract, EV contract, or any of the IKEA or any of the non-technical jobs contracts that you have. Otherwise, if you don't have anything, then they'll give a temporary visa for 3 to 6 months. Then again you have to prove that by taking money from India or again from other jobs. Then funding opportunity within the university, there is no funding opportunity within the university. But the main thing, in order to get into this particular course, what are the things that you need to have? So first thing, you need to have an adequate bachelor degree in the relevant field with at least average grade of 2.5 or above. Which 2.5 and above means it has to be below 2.5 to 1. So usually you need to have at least 2.5 in the bachelor degree of your bachelor's, which is pretty much comparable or in the field of metallurgy, metal forming, mechanical engineering, anything which is related field. Then when enrolling, you need to have English and German both at B2 level you need to submit. So usually for English, you already know 6.5 is the B2 level, or 6.5 you can take and get it 6.5, because I always suggest for B2 is 6 to 6.5 is because all German university has a basic requirement of 6.5. Only some has 6 and only some has 7. So if you get 6.5 to 7, then you are eligible for all the college with English language. And German, you need to have B2. But if you are a person who has A1, A2, just apply. You will get a conditional admit if your profile is super good. Then you will get in conditional admit 1 year to get to the level of B2. Then you can start the course regularly. Application deadline, as I said, 1st May to 31st July for winter semester, which is thinking it is still open. I will show and I will apply before 31st July, and 1st November to 31st January for summer semester. People, if I have done it for winter semester, then use the same application procedure on for summer semester also, and you have to apply in their official website. Then services, after getting this particular college admission, at first you will apply for student visa. With this student visa, you can eligible to work in Germany for 140 full days and 280 half days, and you can also work in heavy work student internship thesis in any of the technical jobs in companies or research institute. But if you don't get any of the technical jobs, then you can also work in non-technical jobs, working in any restaurants, McDonald's, IKEAs, anywhere you are preferably can work. Then the career advisory service will be always there. Support from the international students and international centrum is also provided, with a welcome event, tutor, culturing and linguistic preparation. And German's general services is also provided. You can check it. And if you want to get to know about the University of Duisburg-Essen University, please check out. I think it's also established very long back, and it has a more history. So many people and so many Indians have studied there, and NAVA is also very connected area. You can travel to big cities nearby, and you can also find a job in that area very much. But yeah, this is the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in the episode number 46 of Metallurgy and Metal Forming for University of Duisburg-Essen. And if the application is open, you know already the next 2 videos I will be showing you how to apply. So see you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.